Hey guys, what is going on? Now if you've been following the lawn restoration of our lawn outside, you'll know that I posted a video recently on the weeds that were in our lawn, more specifically broadleaf weeds and also winter grass. So today I've got some winter grass killer. Also, as a disclaimer, this is not sponsored by any brands of weed killer. Just reading the packet here, you should always read the directions of the label on all herbicides that you buy, because each of them have different levels of chemicals and things like that. So this is for couch, buffalo, bent and brown top lawns. And this is also, I'll just show you. This is also at a rate of 15 mils to 10 litres, which does 100 square metres. So this is to be sprayed between autumn and spring. Right now it's winter in Australia. Before seed heads appear. Apply 2 to 3 applications, spaced between 10 and 14 days apart. Apply evenly as a fine spray. After 2 weeks, re-soak bare areas. Do not add wetter, which is soil wetter. Do not use when the temperature exceeds 25 degrees. Alrighty, so let's open it up. So it comes in a little bottle like this, 100 mils. And as mentioned, we only need, well, it's 15 mils of this for 100 square meters. We've got less than 50 square meters, so I'm only going to make up 5 liters of this. So I'm going to put 7.5 milliliters into a bottle. So yeah, let's get started. So we've got our garden sprayer. And as you can see, it's selective because we're using selective herbicide for the lawn. Five, 7.5. Looks good to me. Now what we want to do is we want to fill up the container. To the 5 litres that we wanted. Filled it up to 5 litres, as you can see. We're going to just tip this in, give it a bit of a tap to get all of it in, and now that is good to go. Now you want it really agitated, so what I usually do is just give it a bit of a shake, and it also agitates when you pump it, so into the actual solution, and it will turn it all around. So let's just give it a pump and get into spraying. Now as you can see, we've got a lot of winter grass, most notably this section here. You can see it's a more limey green colour, but when you pull it you can see the roots, so that's what we're going to be spraying to get rid of all this winter grass, and you can see it sort of goes up the top there as well. but mostly concentrated in this area here. Spraying for winter grass is all over for today, folks. Again, always refer to the label and packaging. So we're going to be doing it, it says to apply 2 to 3 applications. So that's the first application, and we'll see how many applications we need to do to make all the winter grass die. Hopefully it'll only be 2, but if worst comes to worst, we'll do 3 as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. Like, share and subscribe. Catch us.